All right. Good evening, everyone. Can you hear my audio? Can you chat yes po if naririnig po yung audio ko? Okay lang po ba? Or thumbs up po? Okay, thank you po, Ma'am Sheila May. All right, so guys, good evening, everyone, and welcome to our 7 p.m. Scheduled time, no? Brought to you by International Marketing Group and Prosper Pinoy. So, I'd like to congratulate you and I appreciate no for investing your time attending this class at pinaunlakan niyo yung invitation ng kaibigan niyo para po mag-learn with us tonight. So I'll make sure that this 1 hour ay hindi po masasayang. Okay? So sa mga ang kagagaling po sa trabaho dyan, okay, welcome po. And saan mang sulok ng mundo, if meron mang OFWs dito, magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, magandang gabi. Okay? So, before we start po, let us recite the True Millionaires Prayer by Brother Bo Sanchez. Okay? So, sa mga Catholic, please pray, sign the cross with me in the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. Lord, today we ask you to bless us so that we may become a blessing. Lord, we commit ourselves to enrich others, but because we cannot give what we do not have, we commit ourselves to become rich. We commit ourselves to serve you and to serve the poor with our wealth. Today, we open ourselves to the abundance of your universe. Use us as a channel of love. Give us the ability to create wealth that will bless the world, increase our financial wisdom, and expand our territories. We place our life in your hands. In Jesus' name, amen. And the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit, amen. Okay, again, good evening sa lahat. Sana po ay kayo'y nagka-take na ng dinner, okay? So, before we start now again, let me introduce myself. Ako po si Maria Shera June Aquiatin. Ako po yung financial educator niyo po dito sa Lila Bohol. Okay? So, I am a registered nurse by profession. And gaya din niyo po ako 2 years ago, last 2019, na I was just invited din po no ng coach ko na hindi ko din po kakilala, and nakikinig din po like you right now na about sa mga concepts na tinuturo dito sa IMG. And with that, naturuan po akong maging isang investor, naging entrepreneur na din. At ito na po yung advocacy ko ngayon. I believe in the mission of IMG in spreading financial literacy. So dito ko po nakita yung purpose ng buhay. Okay? So I'm doing this full-time po. So before that, I was working in a call center po sa Cebu in one of the biggest BPO companies globally, okay? And now I'm a senior marketing director of IMG and a certified life insurance underwriter. Okay, so sa mga first-timers po at hindi pa po talaga kilala kung sino si IMG, IMG stands for International Marketing Group. And again, we are not a networking company, but we are a community na meron po tayong the same values and beliefs. We have common goals towards each other na it's like about prosperity, okay? So this, if you know this personality, so Brother Bo Sanchez, okay, he is one of the motivational speaker, Catholic preacher, at napasok din po ako dito sa IMG because follower po ako ni Brother Bo, okay? And si Tito Boy Abunda, he's may advocacy din siya, part din siya ng partner natin sa life insurance, okay? Because sa kanya din, sa kanyang personal life ay na-experience din niya na mawalan ng yung breadwinner, yung tatay nila, at yung anong hirap nung naranasan nila nung nawala yung tatay nila. And si Megastar Sharon Cuneta, siya din po yung ambassadors natin, sa partner natin sa healthcare. Okay? And Corina Sanchez, siya po ay ambassadress ng IMG. Okay? Siya din po isang financial educator at yung advocacy niya is yung lahat ng Pinoy is makawala sa utang. Kaya she joined our community. Okay? So, with that, no IMG, meron po tayong goal and it is a mission-driven company and organization. We have this campaign na makaabot po no, ng 30 million Filipino families na ma-financially educate na by year 2030. So for as of now, nasa 2,294,711 na po ang nabahagian natin dito. Okay? So, etong IMG po, it is your one-stop shop of all your financial needs. Okay, so if you are seeing your friend like they're posting about one day like about investment, about like insurance, about healthcare, about financial education, so IMG is like we offer like really a total financial solution, no? So it's just those yung mga investment na tinuturo namin, no? It's just part of of the slice of the cake, while IMG is the entire cake po. So and then our main product is the financial education. So with that, gina-guide namin yung mga members dito how to execute the learnings, kasi nga if hindi natin i-execute is mahulog na entertainment lamang at useless. Okay? So, with that, ma-enjoy ng members dito kung paano po maka-discount, no? A lot of savings in terms of financial services. Okay? And with that po, we believe po in IMG, okay, that everyone can be financially independent kung bibigyan lang talaga ng right education, guidance, and environment. Kasi nga, Filipinos are known as very hardworking people, pero nga, sa pagiging hardworking, parang wala namang ang pagbabago, kasi nga malaking factor din yung sinasamahan nating environment. And financial education is part of the three types of education dito po sa ating educational system, but hindi po talaga naturo. Kaya nga hindi guaranteed, 'di ba? Yung mindset po sa atin na kailangan po tayo mag-aral, no, para po maka-graduate, para makakita ng magandang trabaho, pero hindi po guaranteed na if meron tayong bachelor's degree, wala na tayong problema tungkol sa pera. But sad to say, a lot of professionals are still having problems in the way that we handle finances, kasi nga hindi ito naturo sa school. Okay, that is why we are campaigning this to everyone, and everyone deserves a chance and to improve and change for the better. So wala po tayong pinipili dito. Okay, may natapos ka man o wala, may pera ka man o wala, malaki man yung sweldo mo or maliit, no? As long as you are willing to change your financial status, then here in IMG, we will be here to help and guide you to achieve your financial goals. And we also believe that everyone can serve one person at a time. So IMG is not really just about pera-pera lang, but we really teach you how you will really how you handle it properly at para po hindi po masayang. And the best business to start with is you need to have like start with service. Okay? So, yan din po yung mga natutunan ko about doing business, like you can add value to people. Okay? So, with that, no? Ito po yung mga mentors natin. So, Sir Joe and de las Peñas, siya po yung president ng IMG. So, he's an eye doctor and one of prominent families in Cebu City. Okay, so Sir Noel Arandilla and Sir Bart Borja. They are the co-founders of IMG and sila pong tatlo yung mga money mentors ni Brother Bo. Kaya the moment na inintroduce to sa akin, no, hindi po ako nagdalawang isip na this company is or this organization is unique and different because hindi ko alam, no, like Brother Bo, no, meron din pa pala siyang money coach, okay? And along with that, Sir Jess Falier and Ma'am Joanne Falier, sila po yung coach ng ating team, main coach ng ating team, okay? And alam din po ito ng Pangulo, no, yung tinuturo natin dito, okay? Suportado din niya ito. And with this, no, Sir Rex Mendoza, so kanina lang, no, it was one of the great experience and benefit kanina sa mga members kasi nga we have access to him, like he is, you know, the CEO, the former president of Ayala Land Life, okay? And siya na po yung president dito sa Ramper Financials, which is sila po yung investment mentor po natin, and we are very fortunate po here in IMG members kasi meron tayong access sa kanya, no? Directly sila po yung nagma-manage sa ating investments, okay? So kaya kanina, no, market updates about Philippine economy. So andun po si Boss Rex Mendoza. So he is one of the top financial guru in Asia, and dito din po sa kanya nagsisik ng advice yung about Philippine economy and along with the big businesses here in the Philippines, okay? So with that, no, tonight we will learn the secret to saving and building your future. Okay, so this book is exclusively distributed by IMG. So it is one of the best financial guide na mag-fit po sa ating mga Pinoy. Okay, so if wala pa po kayong copy nito, you can ask the person who invited you na they can give you the PDF copy. Okay, libre lang po yan. And sinasabi dito na knowledge is power, but applied knowledge is more powerful. Okay, so yan, hindi na nga secret kasi nga we are sharing the information to everyone. Okay, so sa libro na ito, no, finorward po, no, ng master coach po natin na si Coach Wan Yan, no? Does money control you or do you control money? So every day people go to work to make a living, but no matter how hard we work and how much we earn, parang kinokontrol pa rin tayo ng pera. Like we can't do like absent, no, because nga wala tayong, kung hindi tayo magtatrabaho, wala na tayong susweldohin, right? So by becoming your own money manager, you will discover that it is doable to understand and plan and build a financial foundation for your family. So yan nga, we really push this, no, financial planning is very important and easy lang po yan, no, as long as we have guidance, okay? So with that, sabi din ni Brother Bo na itong libro na to, it is the ticket to upgrading your financial life. So kung gusto natin talaga ng mabago yung financial situation natin, then matutulungan po tayo. Marami pong mga maituturo dito sa librong ito. Okay? So no, bakit po kailangan natin ng financial education at bakit po talaga itong IMG ay grabe yung campaign namin sa mga Pinoy, no? Because kasi nga we really have a challenging future and a lot of Filipinos are financially illiterate, no? In terms of handling their money, no? Pinoys, or we are really born as natural spenders. So why not like turuan natin, no, paano yung tamang pag-iipon at pagpapalago ng pera sa wastong pamamaraan, okay? Kasi nga meron tayong four major areas, no, kailangan nating pagtuunan ng pansin. First is the uncertain labor market. So automation and powerful software continue to replace more and more workers. Manufacturing jobs are moving overseas to cut costs. So meaning like we are now on the technology, our technology is also developing. Okay? So, um, para po yung nag-threaten po sa in the employment industry kasi nga just for example in the movie industry, like they have this kung mag take sila ng scene, action scene noon, no, they use they used to yung helicopter at saka para the action scene, helicopter, pilot, cameraman, no, kailangan nilang gamitin yun. But nung nag-evolve yung technology, right now hindi na sila nagagamit, but they are already using the drone, 'di ba? Parang small camera na lang na kino-control. So sino yung nawalan ng trabaho, 'di ba? Yung piloto at saka yung cameraman. And also this in the if you've heard like electronic beep, no, kung ipapatupad na po yan, okay, so isi-swipe na lang po yung card, no, yung pamasahe. So imagine sino yung mawawalan ng trabaho, no, mga konduktor. So ilang pamilya po ang maaapektuhan, okay, because of that nag-e-evolve po yung technology. At saka even in banks, no, like the cashiers in banks, like na kung pupunta tayo sa bank, doon na lang tayo sa kiosk, 'di ba? Noon meron pang tellers. So parang yung trabaho ng empleyado is napapalitan po talaga. So that's why here in IMG we are really informing you, and we were really helping you that to have a backup plan is very important kasi right now there is no job security anymore unlike before. Okay? And low savings and high debt have major impact on retirement. So marami pong mga tao na even though on their retirable age, no, hindi pa rin makuhang mag-retire kasi nga marami pang financial responsibilities, marami pang like mga loans, no, nga dapat pang bayaran at saka thinking na saan sila kukuha ng on their daily expenses, no, kasi nga hindi nga nakapag-ipon nung kabataan pa. Okay? And then the high cost of education as well as lack of preparation for college, no, planning will hurt the younger generation. So every 5 to 7 years po dumodoble po yung educational cost. So right now, 'di ba noon like okay lang na like may nine na anak, no, na mabubuka ano yun, like the parents can still support, but right now even one child, no, is parang ang hirap na, no. So kaya nga then it is designed, no, na like yung pagka-college is within 18 years kasi nga meron pa tayong plenty of time to prepare for the education. Okay? And then here, no, increasing cost of living, no, make many people have difficulty in saving money for their future needs. And when the need arises, emergency repair, illness, or tuition, the only option is debt. So that is the way of life here in the Philippines. Kasi nga, karamihan sa atin is yung iniisip lang is yung ngayon lang. Okay? So hindi tayo nag-set aside ng kind of emergency funds para sa mga hindi inaasahan. So importante din po 'yon, okay? So, 'yan, meron ako ipapakita sa inyo, no? This slide was taken earlier, no? I'll give it to you as free, no, because this information was actually for members, but this is coming from Boss Rex Mendoza with the updates of nasa na pa yung Pilipinas sa ating financial situation. Okay, so right now, this is the Philippine financial sector statistics, okay, with the total population of the Philippines. Actually, this is coming from Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, no? So, of all the population here in the Philippines, okay, so adults with savings like 47.9%, okay, so adults with savings in a bank like 32.7%, no, 2017 is 17.9% na lang. Meron din namang mga tao na marunong mag-save, no, like 7% lang po yan ng population. But they are not realizing they're saving the wrong way. Okay? And ayan, tingnan nyo po ang slide na to. So 30 this is in the financial industry, okay? So 13,500 number of pawn shops. Yan, imagine 9 million number of credit cards owners here, no? And 2% adults with credit cards, 40 million number of debit cards, 20% adults with debit cards, and $11 billion average value of inflow and outflow. So this is very alarming, okay? Because there's still a lot of people na kailangan pa talaga nating i-educate on the way what are the consequences in about dealing their financial decisions that they make every day in their life that will cause a great effect to their life, like in 5 years to 10 years from now. That is why we are really pushing this campaign na, at kayo din, no, like you invite people to learn about financial education, okay? And kasi nga, we really have a lot of uncontrollable things, and yung mga nangyayari, even the pandemic, it's really out of control. But there's one thing for sure na makokontrol po natin is itong yung financial or finances po natin. Okay? Kasi nga, no, the sabi dito na your future is not in the hands of your employer, your union, your government. It is neither in the hands of your bank nor your broker, but nasa kamay po natin. Kasi nga, yung pera, no, yung income natin, hindi naman po yan nagde-decide kung saan siya pupunta. Sino ba yung nagde-decide? 'Di ba po tayo? Okay? Kaya, we all know how to make money. Okay? So, right now, it is not enough to have yung isa lang yung source of income natin. Kasi nga, may kasabihan na if isa lang yung source of income natin, then you are malapit na po tayo sa poverty. Okay? So, the average or like the real wealthy people, they have 6 to 7 source of income streams. But kung average people naman, like normal people like us, no, nagsistop na tayo kung meron na tayong trabaho or isa lang, no? That's why lagi tayong kinukulang. Okay? And of course, it's not enough we know how to make money, what we need also to save that money. So, we need always to allocate 20% sa ating income. Kasi nga, out of 100% na income natin, 80% po dyan is hindi po para sa atin. It goes with your bills, expenses, whatsoever. That is why you are the money machine, you are the money maker. So you need to pay yourself first, because paying yourself first means you are paying your future and your family. No, it's your family's financial future bill. And meron din tayong kasabihan na kung sino pong unang binabayaran natin is sila po yung unang yayaman. So, right now, 'di ba, if may sweldo tayo or may income tayo, inuuna nating bayaran sila Globe, sila PLDT, yung kuryente, no? So, the question right now is, mayaman ba sila or mayaman na mayaman? 'Di ba? So, if we will pay ourselves pala, no? In the long run, tayo yung yaman at yung family natin. And hindi lang din enough na magsisave ka lang. You need to grow your money properly and the legal and the right way, because inflation or the value of your money, it's decreasing as we grow over time. So that's why if you are hardworking, no, you need to also make it work smart ka din. So here in IMG, we will teach you how to grow your money in the right and legal way, okay? And hindi pa rin po dyan sapat, you need to protect money or protect your income. So what is this? So just in case, no, if mayroong mangyari sa atin, yung income natin or yung financial responsibilities natin, no, it will still be continued, especially if meron pa tayong mga maliliit na anak, okay? At hindi sila mahihirapan. Okay? So, yan, nais naming i-empower sa inyo na you can control your financial future. Okay, so if we were able to, master all those bachelor's degree or what subject na ano natin sa academic school. So right here, we will empower you to become your own money manager para po, 'di ba? Sino sa inyo dito na one day gigising ka na hindi mo na poproblemahin yung pambayad ng kuryente mo, yung mga bills mo, no? Yung mga utang mo. So that's why here in IMG, yan po ang pinupush natin. So become your own money manager, understand how money works. So meron tayong mga concepts na tinuturo dito sa IMG. First is building a solid financial foundation. So outside IMG, hindi po ito naiintindihan. So ano po ba ito? So this is our financial roadmap to financial independence po. Okay? So here po pala, no, just like in all aspects of our life, meron po tayong mga needs, 'di ba? Physical needs, spiritual needs, and meron din ito yung financial needs din. So, we will talk about your financial needs. So, ito just like, building a house, no? We need to make up a strong financial foundation kasi nga yung Pinoy, yung alam lang is investment, 'di ba? If we have money, then yung una nating naiisip is ibibili natin ng ganito, ng mga assets, no? Solid assets. But not knowing that investment is yan na po yung pinakahuli nating i-prepare or i-build if you want a, in like a map to financial, security. So first for that, no, dito po tayo, dito sa pinakababa, no, ito yung pinaka-importante, healthcare, short-term, long-term care. So, we believe that health is wealth, and, the health here in the Philippines is hindi talaga pinagtutuunan ng pansin. That is at mostly Pinoy believe that having PhilHealth is enough na, 'di ba? So, hindi po kasi nga alam niyo po ba that 'di ba sa ating society, sa ating culture, we need to sell something. No, yung napundar natin, we need to sell something, we gonna sell it in a lower price kasi nga we need to pay it for hospital bills. And hindi po tayo naturuan na meron po tayong mga programs na or importante po pala na magkaroon tayo ng healthcare fund. Kasi nga, one thing's for sure, hindi naman tayo forever healthy. Okay? Kasi nga hindi tayo robot. That's why it is important, no? Kasi maraming makakapal yung bulsa pagpasok ng ospital, no? Paglabas, wala, no? Buslot na or zipper na lang yung natira. That is why here in IMG tuturuan po tayo yung importance, no? Pagkaroon ng healthcare fund, okay? And the next financial need po natin is the protection or the life insurance. So, this is protecting your family while you are building wealth. Kasi nga, like 85% po ng mga breadwinners, no, ay nung kinuha ni Lord is walang income protection or walang life insurance sa family. So, life insurance is actually hindi po sa mga breadwinners po dito, okay? Kasi nga hindi po 'to napag-uusapan at sometimes we believe that it is an expense. Okay? So a lot of, insurance agents out there are selling, but there's no one teaching what type of insurance na magfi-fit po sa family mo. That's why they end up paying a lot, very costly. So here in IMG, tuturuan po natin yan. At na ipa-realize natin na life insurance is a need po. Okay? No matter what, we don't like it, no? It is our financial responsibility to our family. Okay? So, and then next is the if meron na po tayo dito, then we need to eliminate debts. Kasi nga, kung magkaroon ng utang, no, yan po yung balakid na ma-reach natin yung financial goals natin. And the next is to have emergency funds. No? So, 3 to 6 months ang ating total income, iset aside po natin at yan na lang po ang ilagay natin sa ating bank account just in case mawalan po tayo ng ng trabaho, merong mga kalamidad, meron tayong magpapagkukunan at para hindi po tayo magkakautang. Okay? So, before the pandemic, it is 3 to 6 months ang total income natin, but right now it is like 6 to 12 total income na dapat po tayo mag-set aside. Okay? So, tuturuan din po tayo ni IMG, no? So, slowly lang, no? Hindi mo naman lalahatin, no? Just slowly lang, you building up your emergency funds. And then, when you already built it that, no? Then that's the time na dyan pa tayo mag-i-invest. Okay? So, investments, bakit nga ba tayo mag-i-invest? Because investments, no? Yan yung bubuhay sa atin the moment na wala na tayong trabaho. Okay? At mag-i-invest tayo kasi nga, yan ang ipapasa natin sa next generations. Anak ng anak natin. So, right now, like, walang naipapasa. Kasi nga, buhay pa, wala, naubos na ng, ipiniprenda na, no? Kasi pambayad dito. So, 'di ba? Is it nice like you invest because you can pass it on and ito yung bubuhay sa atin. And there are two types of investment, solid and the liquid. And yung alam lang ng Pinoy is yung solid, no? But that's why here in IMG we will teach you how to build up liquid assets or liquid investments. So this, yung nakikita ninyo dito is ito yung mga liquid assets nyo. Liquids means cash po. Okay? So, i-balance nyo po. Kung mayroong solid kayo, dapat din mayroong liquid. Okay? So, that's the first concept. Okay? And the next concept is the X-curve concept. So, lahat ng X po daw natin, no? Yan ay wag nating kalimutan. So, X-curve concept po is the story of how hardworking are we. Okay? So, ito pong black line, it is your responsibility line. And the green line is your money line or wealth line. Okay? So, at the left side po, it represents our early age or younger age. Okay? So, and then this one, the right side is our older age. So, with this illustration po, when we started our job, of course, our responsibility is so high because, yung sweldo natin is just enough lang, no? Pambayad sa food, shelter, education, at pambayad sa utang. And yung bumubuhay sa atin dyan is itong tinatawag na active income or sasabi natin na no work, no pay. So, you work for money. Okay? So, since active income yung inaasahan natin bumubuhay sa atin financially. So, meaning, this could also be, no, pwedeng mawala sa atin yan, no, in the form of mawalan tayo ng trabaho, magkakasakit, no? So, meaning we are less financially secure po dito. Okay? So, I'd like you to focus on this left side, okay? So, since we are less financially secure, our main goal here is to move from less financially secure to more financially secure as we go along, as we grow older. But kasi nga, we only have 40 productive years. Okay? One thing's for sure, hihinto po talaga yung income natin. One thing's for sure, tatanda tayo at magde-deteriorate yung body at health natin. That is why, kaya nga ngayon, no, you need to, how to become a more financially secure. That's why we are teaching you here to save and invest money as much as you can, as fast as you can, while you can. Bakit? Kasi nga, yun, hindi tayo forever magtatrabaho. Sino bubuhay sa atin? Financially. Diba? Kasi nga, at during our old age, dapat yung matitira na lang na responsibility, dapat zero yan eh. Or yung responsibility na lang natin sa ating sarili. Okay? So, we need to have a program na magbibigay sa atin ng like 8 to 12% para po mapadali natin ma-reach yung financial goals natin while we still have income and while we are still healthy. Okay? So, that is why papasok po dito si compounding interest. So, compounding interest, no, it's the eighth wonder of the world. So this is the secret of the truly wealthy people. This is how money works. So hindi po ito tinuro sa school, right? So rule of 72 is ito po ay constant number. I-divide po natin kung magkano yung interest rate per year equals kailan po dodoble yung pera natin kung saan natin inilagay. So for example po, in this illustration, if nag-i-invest po tayo sa 4% na tubo per year, okay? So your money doubles every 18 years kasi nga 72 divided by 4 equals 18. So for example lang, no? Like at the age of 20, meron ka ng 100,000. So in every 18 years, but 38, no, nagiging 200,000 plus 18 years, no, nagiging 400,000. So what if naman po may 8%, no? Money doubles every 9 years. So yung 100,000 at the age 29 magiging 200, no, until at the age 56 magiging 1.6 po. But what if at meron tayong higher dyan, no? 12%. Okay? So money doubles every 6 years. So meaning the higher the interest rate is the lesser the year that we're going to wait para po magdoble. Okay? So what if, no? Same then 20, yung 100,000 dumodoble every 6 years hanggang naging 6.4. Okay? So now my question is, kung kayo pong tatanungin, saan nyo po gustong ipatubo or ilagay yung pera? Sa 4, sa 8, or sa 12? Diba? So common sense, gusto natin dito sa 12%. Diba? So ang tanong ko ngayon, saan nyo po ba talaga nilagay? Nasa 4 ba, sa 8, or sa 12? Or wala? No? Because mostly po, Pinoys, alam nang natin saan nila ilagay? Sa bangko. Guys, this is how the financial institution na pinapatubo yung money. So, you are the depositor, no? Like, sila din, pinapatubo din nila yung money mo. So, at the age of, at 56, no? Sabihin mo, kukunin ko na yung money ko, sir. So, binalik nila yung 400,000 sa'yo. Sa kanila yung 6 million. And imagine right now, yung interest rate po, no? Huwag na nating ibanggit kasi nga microscopic rate yung interest ng bangko. So, banks are we don't say that banks are not good, but they are good for emergency purposes. But if you are planning your money, yung pang long term, no, wag mong ilagay sa bangko. No? Kasi ilagay mo sa mas higher kasi nga kung bangko lang microscopic rate yung return nila, no? Baka kalansay na tayo, dun pa dodoble yung pera natin. So what if I'll tell you that we can access this, the 4, the 8, and 12%. Saan po? Doon din nilalagay ng mga malalaking companies at ng mga bangko pinapatubo din. So saan po? No? So here in the mutual funds. Okay? So what is mutual funds? So ito po yung where it's a pool of money. Okay? Meron pong fund manager dyan. So ito po yung mga companies, they are well-established companies here in the Philippines, no? You can be a part owner of this. So if kung kumakain ka kay Jollibee, no, might as well na you can become an investor, no, with this mutual funds, no? And the good thing here is like when you become an IMG member, automatic mutual fund investor ka na. Okay? So that is why if you really like to grow your money in the right way and in the legal way, so become a member of IMG so that you can enjoy this benefit. Okay? And meron tayong mga workshops dito na you can really learn about mutual funds and stock market so that you can grow your money properly. Okay. And then the next, let's move on. No, types of healthcare. So guys, we have two types of healthcare, the short-term healthcare and the long-term healthcare. So, ang karamihan lang po alam natin is eto no, the short-term traditional HMO. Again, this is the type of healthcare sa mga private companies. Okay? Just like me nung nagtatrabaho pa ako, meron kaming free health card no sa company. Actually, this is parang ano lang yan benefit mo as an employee. So, no, renewal is not guaranteed with high claims. Yung binabayaran mo tumataas per year at generally no insurance coverage. Okay? So, kung hindi mo magagamit yung funds ay mate-thank you yun. Okay? And it covers only up to age 60. So, yung the sad part here is yung challenge dito, no? Like, kung aalis ka sa company mo or magre-retire ka, hindi mo ito madadala. Okay? And you know, mostly yung mga sakit no bibisita na sa atin at the age of 60 and up, mabangon na tayo dyan sa hospital. And that moment, wala na tayong trabaho. Wala na tayong free healthcare sa company. Hindi naman natin pwedeng punta tayo dun sa, even though you're very loyal to that company, no? Sabihin mo, pwede ba akong i-cover nyo because you know, I served the company for 30 to 40 years. But no, you can't do that. That's why here no meron tayong tinatawag na long-term health care or health savings account. So hindi rin ito mostly alam ng mga Pinoy, no? So actually this is an HSA. Okay? So renewal is guaranteed, no? You just save your healthcare fund no for 7 years at meron ng life insurance, term insurance, okay? At kung may mangyari man po sa atin, if the holder no mafu-fully paid po yung savings plan natin, or even accidents or disability, no? Fully paid po 'yon. And kung hindi po natin magagamit, ang kagandahan po nito is like may reward po if we're healthy person. Okay? At may interest, no? Tumutubo yung savings natin. At pwede mong magamit, no? Pang additional pension mo. Okay? At it covers beyond age 60 with long-term care use. So ito yung ginagamit, no? In the US, no? Meron silang HSA or health savings account, and the good thing here is like this no long-term healthcare savings account is already available here in the Philippines po. So let's know more about long-term healthcare. Okay, ito po yung magte-take care sa atin the moment na kung ang bubuhayin naman tayo ng matagal ni Lord. Okay, this will take care of us in our financially, okay, and in our healthcare. So yan, 'di ba? The lifetime income of a long term can provide you with income as long as you live. So it is a living benefit. So tayo yung magbe-benefit no if bubuhayin tayo ng matagal ni Lord. So how comfortable is your healthcare situation after age 60? Magdedepende po yan sa decision na gagawin natin ngayon. So, our parents or our grandparents, we cannot blame them kasi nga walang nagturo sa kanila about nito. But right now, alam na natin na it's available in the Philippines. No, don't wait like for your kids to ask you one day that why you didn't prepare for this. No, because again, it's nice that we will give them a financial peace of mind. That's the greatest gift we can give to them. Okay, so you just choose. No, what do you want to be when you grow old to your kids? No, do you want to become a burden or a blessing to them? Okay, so do you expect the government of your children to take care of you if you live too long? Kasi nga here in the Philippines, no, kids are becoming the retirement funds of parents, but that's a traditional way. So let's not stop that experience. Okay, that sandwich generation that the kids will also have their own families and responsibilities. That how sure are we na that yung in-laws, no, na they will support you? What if sakto lang din yung income ng anak natin, 'di ba? So that's why it's really important that we prepare for this, no, healthcare fund, kasi nga hindi tayo robot, no, one day, no, magkakasakit po tayo. Okay? So, ayan, meron po tayong financial plan, complete financial plan. So, sa atin, no, we have three major financial needs. Okay? So, dalawang questions lang po yan sa ating financial life. What if you die too soon? Who will take care of your family? So, sagot po dyan is si life insurance. No? Instant money. Okay? And what if bubuhayin ka ng matagal, yung magti-take care sa atin financially is the investment and the long-term care. So, again, ito po, each po natin dapat meron po tayo nito. Okay? It's a financial need. Dapat meron tayong investment to generate continuing income when you retire. Okay? When you stop working. At dapat meron tayong protection, no? Life insurance to protect your family if you die too soon. Itong life insurance po ay instant money. Yan yung po magfe-finance sa children's education, magbabayad sa estate tax. Okay? And dapat meron tayong healthcare fund to provide healthcare when you retire or when you get sick, no? How comfortable is your healthcare situation? Again, magdidepende sa ating decision na gagawin today. Okay? That is why papasok po yung partner natin in health, which is si Kaiser. Okay? Si Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder, meron na siyang healthcare, meron na siyang investment, at meron na siyang insurance po, or term life insurance. Okay? So how it works si Kaiser? Again, Kaiser is our application sa lahat po ng ating tinuturo dito sa IMG. Okay? Kasi nga, lahat, andyan na yung mga financial needs, no? Pwede ng pang-burial, meron ng life insurance, healthcare, investment. So, how it works po si Kaiser, you just save for 7 years. Okay? At protection po ng family mo is within 20 years. Okay? At dito po magsa-start, no? Pinapag-grow po yung money natin, no? It's 7 years to save, 13 years of waiting. At the 20th year, you have the option, no, na kunin lahat yung na-save mo, yung interest, no, sa savings mo, or pwedeng pang healthcare fund, at pwedeng additional pension. So, ang kagandahan ni Kaiser is like, kung kukunin tayo ng maaga ni Lord, may instant money na maiiwan sa family. Okay? At kung magkakasakit tayo, si Kaiser ang magbabayad sa ospital. Hindi na natin kailangan kukuha pa ng own savings or sa own pocket natin. Okay? At if bubuhayin tayo ng matagal, yan, meron ka ng money working for you or passive income kasi nga may investment or pang-add sa pension mo. Okay? At ito din, pwede mong pambayad caregiver. That's why, ito, no, like, ito yung pinapakita namin na plan, K100 savings plan. No? Because this savings plan will give you 1 million 20 years after. So, 1 million, like, hindi na din yan 1 million pagdating ng 20 years. So, ikaw yung de-decide para sa sarili mo, no? Magkano yung worth mo, no? 20 years after. Are you more than 1 million? Lesser 1 million? No? Kaya you can choose, no, what type of savings plan, kasi nga we really encourage you to have and get this because kailangan mo to eh. You need this. Each of us, we need this long-term care savings plan. Kaya nga, if wala ka pa nito, no, start one, no, save one. You just i-ano mo lang, 'di ba? 7 years na you, what do you call that? I-sacrifice mo, no? Kapalit ng kaginhawaan in the long run. 'Di ba? So this is the best time, no, to start one is yung healthy pa tayo. Again, no? At meron pa tayong income kasi nga hindi tayo forever may trabaho at hindi din forever active yung katawan natin. Kaya get one, start one po talaga, because this is the best gift you can give to yourself and to your family. Hindi mo mababayaran ang financial peace of mind. Okay? Yan, no? Mutual funds, dito po pinapatubo yung money natin. Mayroon life insurance, lifetime healthcare, HMO, at burial, repatriation sa mga OFWs, no? Pwede ding tutulong si Kaiser, no? Pag-process if mamamatay yung Kaiser savings plan holder, no? Tutulong po si Kaiser. So, if you want more details of this, kindly ask the person who invited you. Okay? So, yan. Meron po ba tayong natutunan? Okay? So, if meron po tayong natutunan, so it's time to execute the learnings. No? Become an IMG member so that, you know, you can really execute all the learnings na natutunan natin ngayon, no? So, meron po tayong two types of membership dito. So, enroll in IMG, no? Basic membership. No, you become a member with 48 benefits po tayo, but I will just give you the major, no? Yung mga benefits. So, if you become a member of IMG, meron kang license and accreditation, no? As a financial broker. Meron kang 50,000 burial or death benefit, 100,000 accident benefit. Meron ka na mutual fund account. So, how much is the basic membership? Okay? It's 5,500. But if you want to avail of this 50,000, add on ka lang ng 500 pesos. That's why it's total of 6,000 pesos. Okay? At yung 1,000 pesos po dyan, yan po yung i-open sa mutual fund account. So, automatic na po kayong magiging mutual fund investor at financial education training and classes. Okay? But if you want naman, no, if you think that the information that we are giving can really help, at you can see yourself, no, like sharing also to the people that who are important to you, no, then meron tayong associate or advanced membership. So what is this? Like, you can start your own Kaiser savings program as well, because how can you share to people that you know kung wala ka din? No, that's why. At meron kang license accreditation as a financial broker here in IMG, no? And meron kang 500,000 burial and death benefit, 1 million accident life insurance, meron kang mutual fund account, financial education. Okay, you've started your Kaiser savings plan, and you can, pwede mong si IMG para kang outlet, no? Ifa-franchise mo yung system ni IMG. Okay? So, if you can see yourself, no, dito, no, sabi ni President ng President natin, Sir Joanne, no? Bakit ba kailangan natin i-share, no? Kasi nga, successful ka ba talaga kung ikaw lang yung nagsasucceed, no? Makakatulog ka ba tuwing gabi knowing that your neighbor and friends are saving the wrong way, okay? At saka puno sila ng utang, no? So that's why we are called here, as we are we want everyone to prosper together. So if you can see yourself sharing this information, so become an associate, no, of IMG. So the perfect strategy and action plan po dito is become an associate. You start your own savings program, 6,000 plus yung kanina pinakita ko na example na savings program, that was, yung monthly po dyan is 5,882. Okay? And meron po tayong mga savings plan na pwede po kayong makapili, no? Just ask the person who invited you. Okay? So, with that, no, on the following month, no, you just continue your savings plan for 7 years. And ito yung mga benefit natin as an IMG associate, no? If you will do the IMG business, so you have increased cash flow, no? Makaka-earn ka ng 10 to 20,000 a week by just sharing the information, mga concepts po natin dito sa IMG. Okay? And with that, nakastart ka na ng long-term healthcare, savings plan mo. Okay? Tsaka meron ng life insurance or protection yung family mo. Okay? At with that, no, tumutulong ka paano maka ano sa utang, no? Ikaw din, because of this month extra income of yours, no? Natutulungan ka din ibayad if meron ka mang utang. Okay? And investments, no? With that, meron kang minimum of 6 million, no? Liquid investment. So, out there po, ilan po yung mga business owners na kilala nyo na meron pong solid financial foundation na mayroong long-term healthcare, may life insurance, at may liquid investment. Diba? So, that's why, and if if isa lang yung extra income nyo, then give a try and give a chance of IMG, because no matter what, we want to become, financially free. You can't really achieve financial, independence without financial education po. No? So, it's a noble career to start with, professional business career. Okay? So, yan, we really encourage you, to have this, become an IMG associate. Okay? So with that, you have access to this major provider. So ikaw po to, dala mo po lahat. No, you represent all of these companies. No, so again, if you look at this, these are not, hindi po to sila maliliit na company. So meaning IMG hindi din po na-partner if maliit na company. So we are a multi-billion company. So we need to be proud that you are part of IMG. No, na business partners po tayo dito. Okay? So, no, with that, I congratulate you everyone, no, because you are tinapos niyo po yung malapit na po tayo, no, and you can give the information sa yung friend para po masali po kayo dito sa counter. Okay? So, name nyo lang, phone number, at saka email po. Okay? So, yan, meron po tayong kasabihan na never let good crisis go to waste. So 2020 was mostly, karamihan is it was the worst year. But here in IMG community, it was a silver lining. Bakit? Kasi nga, when you are here in IMG community, you're ending your financial worries because you are equipped with financial education. So if you think that yung mga information, meron kayong learnings. Now, if you're not yet an IMG member, okay, so we really encourage you to become an IMG member, okay, because again, wala pong organization out there na very seryoso po talaga na magka-campaign na matulungan po each Filipino families na makamit yung financial goals natin, no? Because here in IMG po, we believe po kasi na money is tool lang po, no? But what is more powerful is financial education. Kasi nga, with financial education po, kahit ano pong bagyo or unos in the financial problems na haharapin natin is hindi po tayo matitinag. Because nga, we are being taught here how to become financially secure. Okay? If and only if po, kung susundin po natin yung mga tinuturo natin dito sa IMG. Okay? So, right now, 2021, nagsa-start pa po. I congratulate you kasi nga, nag-attend po kayo. And, wag mong hayaan, no? Na, financial independence is hindi lang po talaga yan dream, but it is a decision. Wag mong hayaan yung 2021 mo is just the same situation during 2020. No? Na if last year is lagi kang kapos sa pera, lagi kang namumroblema sa pera, lagi kang baon sa utang, why not make change this 2021 and believe it po na you need to see that in yourself that you become better this 2021. Okay? And it will really become better po if you will go with us, if you will journey with a community who promotes savings, investment, no, and financial education. Okay? So, take action po, make change po, no? So, wag niyong hayaan talaga yung 2021 na hindi po mabago, no? At be committed po sa dreams nyo, sa mga financial goals nyo, at andito pong IMG tutulong sa inyo. Okay? And so I know you still have a lot of questions, so you can ask the person who invited you, and I'm sure that they can really answer all these questions. Okay? So again, maraming salamat po, at have a good evening. Bye-bye po.